Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Steam Link without PC. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Steam Link without a PC. First, open Play Store on your mobile device, tap the search icon, and type in Steam. Once the Steam apps appear, tap to install and wait for it to finish. After installation, open the app and log into your Steam account. Next, open your web browser and search for GeForce Now. Click the first result to visit the site, then sign in or create a GeForce Now account. Once signed in, connect your GeForce Now account with your Steam account. After linking, you'll have full access to your Steam games directly on your mobile device. You can now launch your favorite titles, adjust your settings for optimal mobile performance, and enjoy smooth gameplay anywhere, all without a PC. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.